Enacted Political Parties Amendment Bill of 2021 into law. The new law amends the Political Parties Act of 2011 by introducing the concept of coalition political parties, outlining functions of political parties, as well as changing the criteria of assessing the political parties fund. Paul Kirobi reports.
President Uhuru Kenyatta on Thursday signed into law the recently passed Political Parties Amendment Bill of 2021. This after senators passed the bill on Wednesday night after the handshake allied senators trounced DP Ruto's allies.
We are aware, Mr. Speaker, that the main aim of this law, Mr. Speaker, is for some few individuals within that they want to process their own things, like what they are trying to do with some formation called Kuzimia, Mr. Speaker.
Bodies and individuals that appeared before us, 21 of those public bodies, civil society, professional organizations, and individuals are in support of this bill, Mr. Speaker.
The new law amends the Political Parties Act of 2011 by introducing the concept of coalition political parties, outlining functions of political parties, as well as changing the criteria of accessing the political parties fund. The law also empowers the Registrar of Political Parties to certify political party membership list and nomination rules, among other transformative provisions aimed at strengthening management of political parties and enhancing democracy.
So, Speaker, I am very encouraged by the provisions of this bill, especially on the issue of political parties funding. The Speaker, this country knows that my party wiper has been a victim of betrayal by a coalition partner who has been unwilling to share political parties' funds. Now, with the passing of this bill, if it will pass, the distribution of funds to political parties will not be left to the decision of leaders of political parties. It's in the law, and funds will be shared in accordance with the provisions of the law.
You're being told that anyone that has anything that looks like a political party ceases now to have the distinct values and the things that set them up as an individual political party, that you collapse it and you refer to it as a coalition political party. Mr. Speaker, that quickly falls afoul of the law. I wish we would have kept with what is a general practice in the Republic, which is people are generally allowed to form coalition pre-election and post-election. You know, Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, you know, the challenge is that people are trying to legislate good manners and things like trust. Those ones cannot be legislated.
6 senators wanted further amendments to the bill with 31 clauses. The senators include Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen, Samson Cherargei of Nandi, Kitui Senator Enoch Wambua, Murang'a Zirungu Kang'ata, and nominated senators Petronila Were and Isaac Mwaura. Among the issues that raised a standoff was the deregistration of rebel members and coalition agreement timelines.
If a member is expelled by his political party, that political party should not collude with the registrar of political party and, Mr. Speaker, government printer to degazette that member quickly. I have proposed, Mr. Speaker, that we must give 21 days notice for that expulsion to take effect and give the member the right to take, Mr. Speaker, any legal processes and measures that will ensure that they defend themselves.
Section of senators also proposing an amendment to allow party disciplinary cases be heard and determined within 21 days, contrary to 7 days proposed in the bill. Paul Kirobi, TV 47, Nairobi.